So let's talk about solving a system of equations by substitution. So remember, in a system of equations, we're looking for a point that is shared amongst the graphs of the equations that we have. So we're going to use that to our advantage in this process. So it's a simple four-step process. The first step is to isolate one of the variables in one of the equations, and it doesn't matter which one. You can isolate the x, you can isolate the y, you could do it in the first equation, you could do it in the second equation. It's all your choice. What you want to do is choose the thing that gives you the easiest numbers when you do the substitution. So I'm going to choose this top equation because dividing by 2 looks like it would be easier than dividing by any of the other numbers that are sitting there. So I'm going to work to isolate x. So I'm going to start with 2x plus 3y plus 14. I'm going to move that 3y to the other side. I'm going to divide by 2. So now I have an expression for x in terms of y. I know what x equals in terms of y. So I'm going to take that expression and replace the x in the other equation with that expression. Now, it's really important that you use the other equation. If you use the same one, you're going to get what's called a tautology. It's something that's true all the time, and you'll get super confused. You'll get 0 equals 0 every time, or 6 equals 6. So make sure you plug it into the other equation. So I'm going to take the other equation, 5x minus 3y equals negative 7, and I'm going to substitute in this 7 minus 3 halves y. So there, you see I've done it there. I'm going to go ahead and do some simplification on this because if you look at this, now I have an equation that has only a y in it. So I'm going to distribute the 5, and then I'm going to combine like terms like that. Notice I moved the 35 over to the other side, and then I'm going to solve for y. So this gives me the y value where the points cross. So now I need to find the x value where the points cross. In order to do that, I'm going to take that y value and I'm going to plug it into either one of these equations up here, or if I really wanted to, I can plug it in here. And that's going to be my choice. So I'm going to take the 4, plug it in. Here's the arithmetic for that. And then I have my answer. I have the x value and the y value at the point where they intersect. Now when you write the point, always remember x first, y second, even though I got the y first and then found the x. So the solution to this system is 1, 4. And that's solving by substitution.